In this video, I'm going to show you how to import Outlook contacts to Mozilla Thunderbird. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to Outlook and export your contacts. So to do this, open up Outlook. I'm using New Outlook over here, and you want to go to People over here on the left, and you can click on your contacts. Then you want to go to the top here in the Home tab and click on Export, and as you can see, it's going to export them as a CSV file, which is exactly what we need. So I'm going to click on Export over here, and as you can see here, there we go, it's going to save it into your downloads folder onto your computer, and it's going to be called contacts.csv by default. Now when you've done this, you can close Outlook, and then from here you want to go to your contact book, or over here address book top left in Thunderbird, of course, and what you have to do is go to import at the bottom, click on that, and then from here select the CSV or comma or tab separated file and click on continue. Now on the next page you have to select these contacts we just exported from Outlook, click on them and click on open, and then from here, as you can see, there we go, you can go ahead and basically select these fields over here. So in my case, everything is correct. First name is of course the first name, last name is the display name over here, you can change it as well if you want to, email is over here, etc. If things aren't correct, click on these of course over here and you can change them, or you can just uncheck them to not even import them if you don't want to. Then just go and click on continue at the bottom, and as you can see, you can select where you want to add these. I'm actually going to go and click on the personal address book over here, and I'm going to click on continue again, and I'm going to click on start import, and there we go, it's now completed. Now click on the finish button, and as you can see, there we go, these are now imported. We have this one, and this one, which have just been imported in here. Okay, so that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.